Have you ever thought about making your audio sound way better than it already is? This tutorial will show you some key features of Adobe Audition plugins that can really take your audio to the next level. There's a plugin system called Klanghelm that will highly increase your ability to produce professional level sounds with only a stroke of a few buttons and knobs. These are pro quality plugins and they're all free to use. Klanghelm is a Berlin, Germany based software company that specializes in creating audio plugins and standalone audio applications. Klanghelm plugins support both Windows and Mac platforms, both 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems. I will be showing you installation on a Windows 10 desktop computer. Klanghelm has a number of plugins you can buy directly from their website at klanghelm.com. But here's the real deal. There's free plugins you can use without having to buy a thing. Go to the Products tab and scroll down to Freeware and click on that. It takes you to 3 plugins you can download for free. The MJUC Junior, a variable tube compressor, the IVGI for saturation and distortion, and the DC1A, an effortless character compressor. You will have to click on the free button for each of the plugins you want. Let's do all 3 of them. After downloading each installer and installing each plugin, it's now time to open up Adobe Audition and manage the plugins. First, record or import a piece of audio. Now, go to the Effects tab on the upper page of Audition. Scroll down to Audio Plugin Manager. Now click on the Scan for Plugins button. It will automatically go find the Klanghelm plugins. Once it finds the plugins, click Enable All, and then now click OK. Now, in your Effect Rack window, you should be able to scroll over to each effect by going to VST, Effect, and select each plugin. Once selecting the plugins, they should all have their own window that pops up. Now, you can start playing with the knobs and controls to get that best fit for your sound. It'll take a little practice, but you will get the hang of it. I usually prefer deep and relaxed modes on the DC1A3. And for the IVGI, I click the relaxed button in the middle, bring up my response, and ASIM mix too. For the MJUC Junior, I usually play with the settings on the compressor ratio and makeup knobs and leave it on the slow time constants. The IVGI can deliver very soft and subtle saturation that feels at home on the master bus. It is equally capable of very dense and dirty distortion effects to spice up single tracks. The MJUC Junior has a variable MU design with lots of vibe, capable of smooth leveling but also heavy pumping effects. With its 2 gain stages and interstage transformer simulation, it offers a very deep and lively soundstage. The DC1A has gentle, faithful, from almost invisible, smooth leveling to heavy pumping with a nice crunchy saturation and punchy enough to treat drums or voiceovers with. I have found these to be a very fast and easy way to give better vocal presence to any recording, and they are very stable too. So go enjoy these freebie plugins and stand out loud and proud with your new and improved audio, thanks to Tony at Klanghelm Audio. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this one.